Okay, so wanted to document this. Kind of a younger guy here, 31 years of age, and the oil pressure light, the idiot light on my 65 Mustang went out. Some of the peeps on vintage Mustang forums gave me a quick little test for it. I've had some issues with the oil pressure switch. You'll see it. Try to get the light on it here. A little nipple right there. That gold thing in the center of the screen right now, just above the oil filter. A little nipple where the spade connector connects into. Had some issues with this in previous times where the spade connector, which I've rerouted to be here, it's in the wire loom in the center of the screen. And there's the spade connector. I'd crimped that down to just kind of get a good connection on it to make sure that the spade connector to the nipple was good. So the quick test was, is it the light socket wire loom / bulb up in the cluster, or is it the fact that the oil pressure switch that I just showed you earlier wasn't grounding out? So what's the quickest and easiest way? Took a little bit of speaker wire, you can see coming over the radiator in front of the grill, and hooked it into the negative battery. That's the easiest way to know it's grounded. I'm not a electrician by any stretch. I wasn't gonna guess if it was grounded or not. Did that, all of 20 cents worth of speaker wire I was never gonna use. You can kind of see it wrapped right around. It's not grounding to that AC component, which is the brace for my Tecumseh AC compressor. And we come in to the dash, and with the Falcon gauge cluster, the oil pressure light on the left beaming bright. So what's this mean? From all accounts, the oil pressure switch itself is not grounding out properly, which means I need to get a new oil pressure switch right there in the middle of the screen. So guys, gals, I want to just thank you for the quick little test. It took me literally all of 5 minutes to cut a piece of wire loom and hook it up and test it. So thank you.